Hey there, everybody. I hope that you guys are doing really, really well. It's been a very, very rainy, bleak, blue, black, depressing sort of day here. But that's okay because, on those days when it's just rain, 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 you can really get a whole lot done. Speaking of getting a whole lot done, I am kind of doing something different in the Etsy store. Instead of making a lot of specialized kind of products, like the Big Mama journals and things like pocket letters and things like that. I am doing some bulk making, and we'll just see how that goes and see if you guys like it and if you support it, and then if it doesn't work out, then we might do something entirely different. Who knows? Who knows? So I wanted to show you these super cool books, and I really do love them. This is not my original idea, but I watched YouTube tutorials from several people who were doing these for craft shows, and I don't do craft shows, but I thought they were so super pretty and came together really easily by just using what you have on hand, which is exactly what I did. So my packages that are going into the Etsy store are two of these journals. Each one has 24 pages. I'm going to flip through this so you can kind of see what it's like. And they come with, I really love to toss in a creative pack, and then that helps you kind of bump up your journal, or flesh it out, or decide what you want to do with it, or something like that. So these are really, really fun. I wish I could remember the creator. I think it was Amber, but I'm not sure what her channel is. But I will link it in the description box below, because she is like the real deal in bulk making things for craft shows, and she has some craft show experience. So if you are interested in that sort of thing, you can go and check her out. She's very easy to listen to. She is a lot of fun, very informative. So we've got 24 pages of this super cool craft copy paper. It was 8.5 by 11, and I did order like 100 pages of this, and I think it was like I don't know, it was kind of expensive. It was $10. It was expensive to me, but I love the way that it worked out. Each of the books is pamphlet bound with embroidery floss, and of course it's all hand done. But the super cool neato thing is in the back. There's like this little pocket, and I thought it just turned out really well. I was very fortunate that Miss Kathy sent me some coffee themed paper, so a lot of them, actually I think all of them, are coffee themed. I did do some butterflies, so I will put those in the Etsy store as well. So I'm not going to go through every single one of these because they're all the same, right? They're all 24 pages of craft paper in a little binder with a pocket and with a pack of ephemera. And I just think I was going to try and do that, but that's not a good idea. And they're each tied with, just a piece of cording that I got from my stash. I'm really into shopping my stash, and I'm really fortunate that Kathy just sent me a lot of beautiful papers that I was able to use absolutely immediately. So thank you, Miss Kathy, for that. I'm not sure exactly what the postage is going to be on these. For two of these plus a pack is going to be $12.50, and I've got the first one listed in the shop. Like I said, it's just something that I am doing that's going to be a little bit different. I'm very anxious to not be sitting at a desk during the summer months. My sweet mama passed away in January, and I find myself really drawn to being outdoors with my hands in the dirt and planting flowers and just being outside, listening to the birds, watching the butterflies. I don't want to be sitting at this desk all summer long and creating things. So I love you all so much. But this bulk making idea is, I think this might just be it for this summer. I can do these things fairly quickly and get them out to you. They come to you with lots of love, lots of appreciation, lots of thank you for your support over at the Etsy store. So I've already got one in the shop ready to go, so you can hop on over to the shop and check out that listing. And then I will get the rest of these in the shop probably tomorrow because it's getting a little bit late and Susie needs his dinner. So thanks for hanging out with me. I really do hope you guys like this. I hope that it calls to your creative heart or your coffee soul, by golly. Talk to y'all soon. Bye.